Speaker, we're in September of 2020. I suspect, Mr. Speaker, from the proceedings of the last Senate, that you will have difficulties in 2021 to get members here, because majority of us will be campaigning. Two, Mr. Speaker, reggae is back. We are going to be campaigning. There's going to be activity. Mr. Speaker, since we are going to sit between now and December, Mr. Speaker, we should sit 3 times and clear the deck of all pending business. So that, Mr. Speaker, when we get into the era of electoral reform, because I suspect just like the last session, we spent a lot of time in the last year doing electoral reforms, where Senator Orengo and Senator Kiraitu were chairing a joint committee. Mr. Speaker, this Senate must participate in the preparation of a fair, free, and transparent election. We cannot be having pending business, Mr. Speaker, in 2021 and 2022. So, Mr. Speaker, I support, with the necessary modifications, that we sit 3 times a week, Mr. Speaker, so that we can clear pending business. While at it, Mr. Speaker, you are aware that your colleague at the National Assembly has issued a communication on about 10 bills. One of them, Mr. Speaker, affects Senator George Haniri in Vihiga, the County Boundaries Bill. The other one affects the Mental Health Bill. The other one affects the bill by Senator Zani. Mr. Speaker, by the time I'm asking that you make a communication, because you have communicated with me that you propose that we have those bills sponsored by members of the Senate and National Assembly. That's additional work. Because, Mr. Speaker, there's no shortcut of protecting counties on its boundaries unless we have a legal framework. And I suspect, Mr. Speaker, from the report I read by the Senator Haji-led committee, that framework of Article 188 on county boundaries is not going to change even by their report. County boundaries will still be the mandate of the National Assembly and the Senate. And therefore, Speaker, in the next sitting or soon thereafter, maybe Thursday, please communicate on these very important issues that Senate has passed and the National Assembly has declared those bills money bills. But it will be well for you, Speaker, because I'm not sure whether you'll be here next time, for you to have as many bills assented to this session, now that we have a very good cooperation. And Senator Fogisio and Senator Orengo, I've seen your pictures today at the big house, showing that now it means that we'll get our business of this Senate directly going there without necessarily using any other middle ground. Thank you. The bridge has been created. Thank you.